welcome to a video where I will be doing magic stuff because why not? Because it's fun. Okay, if I can just get this up. Wait 1 minute. Oh, which song would be good for this? This one, I think. Okay. Okay, let's get back into this. So yeah, I don't get how this relates to it, but I just felt like doing that. So what have we got first? First we got these. Okay. Should I turn this off or not? Hang on. Okay. I forgot how to do this trick, but I will make I will make something appear from my hand. Woo! So yeah, I will make. Okay, I should actually see that there. But I will make. Ta-da! It appeared from my thumb. Yeah, I cut off my thumb as well. Hey, zombie guys, I cut it off from. Look. I bet if any who's watching this, they're gonna be like, Mommy, that guy got his thumb off. Okay, it didn't really. Look, both thumbs are there. And my third thumb. Brilliant. Let's keep that there. Chuck that back in there. So, what else have we got? The rings. Okay. Yeah, everybody knows it. But okay. You can't even see. Did that work? It actually worked. Ta-da! Yeah, you can even see that. I think I might not give up quite good because do you want some creepy candy? Well, yeah, technically I do. How is that meant to be? It actually stayed like that. Okay, let's put it back from on there. Ta-da! And then Yoshi. What the hell is that? Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what it's supposed to do with it. I've got a good one actually. So yeah, okay, wait. So took all that away. Yeah. So let's get a piece of paper. Scissors. Where is scissors? So I've got a piece of paper. Look into this. Put it in there. And then I shut. Okay. Sing, shut. And then ta-da! I did not use any editing for that. I don't know how to edit things. That's funny, it's speeding me up. Okay, wait, I'm going to show you this trick. Have I got any money? No. Oh, there we are. Alright. So basically, I have got that, and okay, these ones. So I got that. I put that on there, and then I got nothing in myself. Then door. Because yeah, pretty sure you can tell. That is all for now. Yeah. So basically, this big weekly magic set. Okay, no advertising, but and a different magic set from Amazon or whatever. All that shop down the road. Well, not down the road, about 2 miles away. But yeah, that's it. Time for the mouse again. Return of a mouse. Boy.